Food Futures, Exploring the Role of Lab-Grown Ingredients. Written by Itumo Daniel Chinedu. Narrated by Archie. Introduction. Setting the stage for lab-grown food innovation. The way humanity feeds itself is on the brink of a revolution. For centuries, agriculture has been the backbone of human civilization, evolving from primitive methods of hunting and gathering to the mechanized marvels of the modern era. But even as fields yield bountiful harvests and livestock fills farms around the world, the current food system faces unprecedented challenges. Climate change, population growth, dwindling natural resources, and ethical concerns about animal welfare paint a grim picture of the sustainability of traditional food production. Against this backdrop, a groundbreaking solution is emerging: lab-grown ingredients. The term lab-grown food often conjures up images of sterile laboratories and futuristic dishes plated with uncanny precision. While this portrayal captures the innovative spirit behind this technological leap, it doesn't quite encapsulate its full potential. Lab-grown ingredients, whether cultured meat, synthetic dairy, or precision-fermented proteins, promise to rewrite the narrative of how food is created, distributed, and consumed. These products aren't merely science experiments, they are tangible solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems. In a world where 1 in 9 people faces chronic hunger, and agriculture contributes nearly 25% of global greenhouse gas emissions, the implications of lab-grown food stretch far beyond culinary curiosity. The global food crisis is not a distant catastrophe, it is already upon us. Extreme weather patterns disrupt crop cycles. Water scarcity threatens agriculture in some of the most fertile regions. Animal agriculture, responsible for feeding billions of people, requires vast tracts of land and emits methane, a potent greenhouse gas. On top of these environmental issues, traditional farming is labor-intensive and subject to inefficiencies that exacerbate the disparity between supply and demand. Simply put, the system is strained and the cracks are widening. Enter lab-grown ingredients, a scientific marvel poised to redefine the way we think about food. At its core, this approach involves cultivating cells or synthesizing compounds to replicate the taste, texture, and nutritional value of conventionally produced food. Unlike traditional farming, which requires land, water, and vast amounts of time, lab-grown food production takes place in controlled environments, often needing just a fraction of the resources. The result is a product that mimics, or even improves upon, its
Sample complete. Ready to continue?